How to do withdraw from Hamster Kombat. Hello guys, this is Trading for Beginners and in this video I'll be showing you how to do withdraw from Hamster Kombat. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Hamster Kombat into your Telegram application, and after opening the Hamster Kombat in there, you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Now in order to withdraw, you just simply have to select this airdrop button at the bottom right corner, and from there you will get to see this withdraw and points option. You just simply have to select withdrawal, and after going into withdrawal you will get to see these three options into here. First one is OKX early birds, second one is Bibit early birds, and third one is connect your Dawn wallet. Just simply choose any of the suitable options for you. I'm choosing this OKX early bird, and after going into here you just simply have to select the register option. Tap into register and you just simply have to register with your OKX exchange account, and after that you can easily withdraw your Hamster Kombat coins to Bitcoins through any of the platforms that you have chosen. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.